from the other side. All right, morning everybody. Happy Thursday. We took a little time today because of a little leveling over here. We had to make sure that we're level on the floor, and we have a little bit of a slope coming down this way that we're dealing with and going to be shimming as we go here, and it's going to go for a couple feet, and then it's in other words, it's running downhill from the center down here a little bit, so we're going to have to shim on that as we now move into the hallway. We've set the transition strip guide. All right, boss, we're measuring for our next piece. I think it's looking pretty good there. I'm shooting measurements off of these this construction line here to make sure this flow is working properly backwards, because when you have a long run like this and you have to blend it into that and join it to that, any error in not being square is going to be tremendously magnified in a very long run. This is probably a 22 foot hallway here, so I'm being very careful. So the flow's going pretty good here. Got things leveled and making good progress. Yeah, it takes time. You're going to run into problems when you're doing this type of lay. These construction in the 80s, 90s, if you're a basic build model, they're going to just build it a little rougher, I think, because you're going to be putting down carpet. But if you specify laminate floors or wood floors, tile, they're going to be a little more careful about not creating humps like we had in the middle of the floor here. So it's laying pretty good. I'm pretty happy. So we should be able to flow a lot of this into the evening here. Yeah, that takes a lot of time to do it right. And we got our channel set for our T-molding down there, and it's looking very handsome here. See you in a bit. Back again, everybody. Some critical turn out here. Have everything shimmed in place so we're good on our construction line right here. And look at the nice fancy dancy cut that the boss made there to help us get around the corner, thus proving even a blind pig gets an acorn once in a while, right? Did a good job on that, boss. So we're going to start laying some here and moving our way down the big hall. Yeah, it took some time, but it's precision work and it's got to be done the right way. Back again, everybody, as we're flowing down the hall here. We got Janet. We like alternating. The boss yells at you, then me, then you. What are you doing? But the flow looks pretty good. We've run to the end. We've got good lines going out here. Thank goodness we have two walls that are on the same plane here. So that makes it easy, but we're going to try to build out to the banister here. So yeah, it's looking good. Got a nice flow. Welcome back again. Made a lot of progress since the last time. Put down a lot of wood here, moving towards underneath the banister. Everything's all true here. Maintaining our gap at the wall there. About midnight. Yep. Been a long day with a lot of problems to be overcome. But we've done it. Good. We'll see you for the wrap up. operations. Pound 100 of these in a day. Check that gap for me again. That's how it's done. All right, guys, 12:15 a.m. It has been an incredibly long day. Day 3 of this operation, but it's always very good when you do a project like this and you see all of your preparations coming together, all your making sure that things are true and square and that things don't run off center. And I think pretty much the results speak for themselves. Yeah, I look like a thing of beauty tonight, don't I? And I'm very proud of the work we've done. I mean, it's exhausting. It's brutal on the hands. But I'm so happy, as I've said before, to be able to do something for the boss and Janet, for all the kindness they've extended to me over the years. Well, tomorrow we got cutting work over here to do. We should be pretty much finished with the hallway. Big trick today was dealing with that depression in the floor and getting that all shimmed up. Takes a lot of time and a lot of quite a bit of skill to be able to do that properly, so that you don't get any flex in the boards and no problems that'll occur later. Whew. With that, I want to thank you guys for being along for day 3, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. You missed the spot.